Hi, it's Maggie. You know the best laid plans of mice and men, or whatever that saying is? Okay, so here's the issue. I have been watching on YouTube and Pinterest and stuff, all these different cute like bedside lamps and pendants that are made from scrap wood, and I just thought they were amazing. And I have all these cutoffs of pallet wood and ends of cutting boards and stuff like that. I was like, oh, you know what? I can make like this eclectic bedside lamp for my table, bedside lamp for my bedroom, and it's gonna be wonderful. So then I'm like, I'll video it, even better. So I'm videoing, and you'll see most of the video here coming up. Well, you'll see the beginning of me videoing it. I really and truly, I went through the whole process, I swear. Okay? And I'll kind of show you. Like, you'll see me gluing up wood like this into like patterns like this. Okay? You'll see me do it. What you won't see is that once I got it all glued together, me realizing that my OCD self, or whatever abbreviations you want to give my issues are, couldn't handle all the different colored woods. So I spray painted it to the colors I like, and then I assembled it. Then I put a light kit in it, and then I plugged it in and it worked. So let me show you the lamp. Okay? And then we can go into more detail of what I actually did.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top.
Okay, so I started with these strips. You see them? They're just pallet wood cut down, and I'll leave the measurements up in the corner. And then these for the width. And my thought is I'm going to glue them like this. So I'm just going to lay them all out and glue them. I'm figuring 5. And I had a hard time deciding if I'm going to do it flat, so you can see the wood grain. What do you think? Because I have all, you would not know this is all from the same palette because they use so many different types of wood on it. Kind of liking this and doing like the different wood, but then would that be too thick? Would the light come through it? Or should I do it like this? See, I think that's too thin and you're not going to see the beauty of the wood. I think I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to try to do all different types. So, and I realize like the thicknesses, if you can see that close, the thicknesses are different, but you're not going to see it because the part that's going to be out, is the part I'm laying flat down. So I'm going to glue all this together. I'm going to make 4 of them, right? That's my thoughts. I'd make 4 and then attach them all together. Okay, so what do y'all do when your wood glue doesn't open anymore? And like, it's starting to get discolored too. But they said that as long as it still glues and doesn't come out in one complete clump, that it's good. So that's what we're going with. Okay, and I talked about how I was going to put the measurements up in the corner, I think, on one of those clips. But anyways, this is about 10 inches long. They're just slits I cut from the pallets. And then the top pieces are like 4 inches, I believe. Could be wrong. These could be 10 inches and the other one could be 6 inches. But anyways, make a rectangle. Glue them together. Make a square. And then I made the bottom out of just more stacked up pieces so it could raise up so the wires from the lamp kit could go in it. So that was the bedside lamp that I made for my bedside table, that I made gray and black because, let's face it, that's some of the major colors in my house, because there's only 4 colors in my house, which is espresso brown, black, white, and gray. That's it. There are no other colors in my house. My next video, I think I'm going to do a review of my Flex power tools. I did do a review of my Flex, you know, the Flex battery circular saw. I'm going to do my drills because I've had those for quite a long time and I'm starting to have some issues with them, so I wanted to talk about those. Okay, so thank you for being patient with this video. I know, why did I make a video? Because I'm really proud of the lamp and I worked really hard on it and I really wanted to show you guys how I did it. And unfortunately, I'm as technologically advanced as I am power tool advanced. So thank you for watching, and if you could handle this video, subscribe and follow along. Bye.